On the high canopy of the Amazon rainforest, a silent intruder appears. This is the Emperor Tamarin.
This small primate lives primarily in trees, often moving in groups and using vocalizations
to maintain contact with other individuals in the troop. In the distance, on a large tree fork,
a very wide nest appears. This is the nest of the Harpy Eagle.
At this moment, the adult bird begins to fly away from the nest to search for food. Meanwhile, below, the Tamarin monkey is still moving. Suddenly, a large shadow glides over the canopy. That is the Harpy Eagle. For a small monkey, the shadow of a bird of prey overhead is always a signal of danger.
But in nature, the places eagles frequently visit are usually where their nests are.
And for an omnivore like the tamarin, bird eggs are an opportunistic food source. After a while, the young monkey also found the bird's nest high above. The Tamarin monkey quickly approaches the bird's nest.
For the tamarin, bird eggs are an energy-rich, opportunistic food source.
But at this position, every second it stops makes it more vulnerable to detection.
From the distance, the owner of the nest has returned. The monkey constantly changes direction to avoid open spaces. From behind, the Harpy Eagle relentlessly closes in from above. A near-miss pounce sends the monkey falling into the water. It quickly surfaces, trying to swim toward tree roots along the bank. But beneath the water, a caiman has detected the movement. The young tamarin quickly ducks deep into a root hollow, right at the water's edge. Above, the Harpy Eagle is still perched on a low branch, watching right in front of the hollow's entrance. Time slowly passes by. The monkey keeps still inside. A moment later, it cautiously pokes its head out. It suddenly attacks the eagle. The attack fails, as in nature, no meal is easy. Dusk falls over the vast and beautiful Amazon rainforest. The young tamarin cautiously crawls out of the root hollow.
When the young monkey climbs up a high tree, it begins to call out loudly. Here is the contact call.
When separated from the troop. These short calls help it locate other individuals in the area.
From the other side of the river, the Tamarin troop responds. This sound is like a signal. I am here. Where is everyone? For Tamarin monkeys, calls help individuals separated from the troop relocate each other within the dense forest canopy.
But between it and the troop is the murky water of the Amazon. Beneath the river's surface, the caiman could still be hiding near the bank. The tamarin has few options left.
It plunges into the water, swimming fast toward the other side. The young one quickly climbs up and rejoins the troop.
This time, it is no longer traveling alone.
After rejoining the troop, the young tamarin moves with the group. Needs to quickly replenish their energy before the light disappears from the forest canopy.
The wild fig tree is an important food source in the Amazon, as its ripe fruits feed many arboreal species.
And many other animals foraging on the forest floor. High up on the branches, they begin to eat the ripe figs. While picking figs, a few fruits accidentally fall to the forest floor below. Before long, southern Amazon red squirrels move in beneath the tree.
But in nature, areas where food concentrates often draw in many small prey, and that also attracts predators.
The first lunge failed. The ocelot stops, then lifts its head to look up.
High above, the tamarin troop is still eating fruit on the fig branches.
The ocelot begins climbing the tree trunk, approaching from the lower canopy.
But as it gripped the very first branch, an adult tamarin spotted the movement below. The alarm call rang out. The entire troop immediately stopped eating and scattered across the smaller branches.
In the wild, tamarins live in troops to increase their ability to detect danger. With just one individual spotting a predator, the entire group reacts almost instantly. Behind the peaceful appearance of the Amazon rainforest, every day is a succession of hunts. The first hunt failed,
And the second hunt also brought no results.
In the Amazon rainforest, not every predator emerges victorious. It is precisely these missed hunts
that help maintain the balance between predator and prey, allowing this ecosystem to continue surviving for millions of years.
Let us join hands to protect the Amazon rainforest and wildlife, because every creature holds an irreplaceable